Hi, I'm John Holden.
And I'm Andrea O'Campo.
Welcome to Earth.
As the world emerges from a global pandemic, it's important now more than ever to acknowledge the busiest places need the cleanest surfaces. That's because every single day, high-touch surfaces have the potential to collect germs that can make us sick. Your first thought may be wipes, sprays, or even hand sanitizer as a key to killing germs. But there's a super fighting element that continuously does a job as part of its natural composition. Let's take a closer look. Let's face it, no one likes to get sick. Whether you're busy treating patients in a hospital, running your own business, or a stay-at-home parent coordinating the morning school carpool, when you're under the weather, it puts a halt to, well, everything. Germs are everywhere, and everything we touch potentially has illness-causing bacteria. Copper, typically used for powering our modern world, from hybrid vehicles to computers and smartphones, is proving to be extremely effective in helping prevent the spread of bacteria.
When bacteria comes in contact with a copper surface, copper releases electrically charged particles called ions. These ions go into the cell and they interrupt the bacteria's ability to breathe and to digest, and it damages their genetic material. All of this together kills the bacteria.
As one of North America's major copper producers, Teck is committed to raising awareness and advocating for the use of copper as an innovative solution to healthcare-acquired infections, as well as infections resulting from bacteria spread in busy public spaces.
Teck is Canada's largest diversified mining company, and one of the products that we mine is copper. And we operate in a number of communities internationally. And so it's extremely important for us to be thinking about the health and safety of those communities as well as communities just around the world. And so we found this opportunity with the Copper and Health program to bring together those two ideas. Copper is a very sustainable metal. It's mined in North America, it's sustainably developed, it's infinitely recyclable in that it's effective no matter how many times you use it, and it's safe to use. And most importantly, it works.
Think about it. If your hand is contaminated with harmful bacteria, you can potentially transfer that bacteria to clean surfaces. And when someone else comes along and touches those surfaces and then unknowingly touches their face, the bacteria can enter their body and then make them sick. That's why copper is quickly becoming the new gold standard in patient safety.
So key to making this program work has been partnerships, partnering with major institutions and organizations to help spread the word about how copper can be used. So we've used it in healthcare, but also in a lot of other diverse settings, such as universities, public transportation, airports, and even in education and daycares. And so our real intention with this is to show the diversity of uses and show how easy it is. But it's also about creating innovation.
Installing copper in these high-traffic, high-touch locations can have a significant impact on reducing illness. This isn't just about safer places. It can improve productivity and increase confidence as people carry out their daily lives.
BCIT is really a city within city. We have close to 50 to 60,000 people that show up at BCIT annually, and health and safety is a critical part of their well-being for the academic program and also for working at BCIT. Adding the copper patches to the door handle, it's a new science. It's proven to be very good for BCIT. Soon after we did the, attached it to the door handles on about 7 buildings, we did an analysis and the results were stunning. It reduced any of the transmissible spots by about 99%, even higher. In fact, some of the analyses were non-existent.
If the pandemic taught us one thing, it's that we cannot be complacent when it comes to protecting public health and the spread of bacteria. If we want to protect our safety, our economy, and our way of life, then we need to take action to prevent this type of spread. Copper is an innovative solution that works around the clock to keep us safe. and we should do everything we can to see it deployed across all high-traffic public spaces before we have another crisis.
This is completely about keeping communities safe, and it's a great way to raise awareness about mining and metals. Metals have an important role in society, and it's often in our everyday lives, and we don't realize the value it can bring. And I think the idea of public health and of it bringing safety to our homes and to our public spaces is a really innovative use of metals, and we hope people learn about that and grow to understand more about how these things come to be.
Individuals should continue to follow public health guidelines, including precautions like mask wearing and social distancing when needed. Teck Resources continues to provide solutions like the antimicrobial copper surfaces and healthcare and beyond, with the common goal to make our community safer. Until next time.